Crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and we are on day 9 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. So I have been super happy with what's been in the box so far. I will say I personally think it's above and beyond the last few boxes. So at the end of the day, guys, right on day 5, I got the coffee mug that I really absolutely had to have to complete that collection. So let's not delay, let's not prolong getting into this. I want to see what's in day 9 because I have been waiting. And if you all know me, especially outside the YouTube channel, I am not known for my patience. So the fact that I am actually waiting and opening these on the day in that is just absolutely crazy. But let's see what day 9 brings. And again, they have a nice packaging in that, the way they put together. And this says this is a Bias Tape Toolkit. Instructions and size chart are included inside. So let's break this bad boy open and see what they brought. Oh my gosh. So I have had these. I have played with these, not like this necessarily, but this is really, and of course, I'm sure it's a Missouri Star Quilt Company kit that they put together, but it has all the different biases, right? So this one says 12, 18. Interesting. All right, so guys, this is when my ignorance shows, and you can tell that I'm new. So this says 25. So I'm going to assume this is this is for 2.5 inches, right? And I wonder if they even have a little cheat sheet on the back, but we'll see. And like I said, I have not been watching the channel itself, so I don't. I know if I jump over there, they'll probably explain more about what's in here and that. But oh, it says instructions and size chart included. I did not get. Let me see if it's over. Oh, there it is. Ah! So strip size cutting chart. Size of the tool, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4. Oh, and it is millimeters, right? So it says if you want a 2-inch wide um, bias, you're going to use the 25 millimeter, which is the biggest one, 1.5 inch wide, 1.5 inch. I typically have been doing 2.5. It's interesting. These are 2 inches. So this is going to be cool. I will definitely probably play with this because I just have to see how it works. It's nice that it comes in such a nice kit and already put together for us. Again, when I've bought this, I've bought some of the other different ones and played with them, but I've never had anything that seemed as quite as nice as this one. So I'll definitely be playing with it and see how it works and if it's for me. If not, could be a wonderful gift for somebody sometime. But I won't say that I don't like it because I just have not used it, and I'm anxious to kind of get it going and see how that works for me. So, guys, we are on day 9. Oh my gosh, today is the last single digit day in December and in 2025. How crazy is that? But I appreciate you jumping in, letting me rattle on for just a few minutes about the next gift in Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. Hope you're enjoying what I'm doing. There's a lot of us creators doing some of the same boxes in that. I appreciate that you took time to drop in and listen to me. But I think it's been kind of a consistent theme this year. It seems like all of us have been pretty happy with what they've gifted us so far. So, with that said, I appreciate you being here. And as always, until next time, happy crafting.